How to reset Mazda X9 screen updated. Most people get this wrong by thinking a simple power cycle fixes screen freezes. The surprising truth is that the Mazda X9 infotainment system has a built-in reset function that fully restores responsiveness. Start by turning the car to the on position without starting the engine. Locate the volume and power buttons on the infotainment panel. Press and hold both buttons simultaneously for about 10 seconds. You won't believe how often this simple combination fixes glitches that seemed permanent. The screen should go black and then reboot automatically. Once it restarts, check that all apps and connectivity features are functional. If the system remains unresponsive, try turning off the car completely, wait 30 seconds, and repeat the process. For persistent issues, ensure your system firmware is up to date. Connect the X9 to Wi-Fi or use a USB drive with the latest Mazda update files. Running outdated software can cause frequent freezes and slow response times. In conclusion, resetting your Mazda X9 screen is quick and safe when done via the button combination. Always check for updates afterward, and you'll maintain a smooth, responsive infotainment experience every time.